uncongested borders, of diversified trade, and of shared prosperity. Let me also take a moment to underscore why this route matters. The traditional alternative through Zimbabwe, via Victoria Falls Bridge, was a remarkable engineering feat in 1906. But today, it imposes severe limitations, permitting just 5 wagons per rake due to structural loading constraints. This bottleneck is not compatible with volumes we envision for a 21st century regional trade system. With the shortest route principle, which states that customers often use the shortest route from source to destination, it is clear that Botswana and Zambia rail routes automatically have a competitive edge compared to other corridors in Southern Africa. Before the construction of the Bay Bridge line, Botswana moved over 2 million tons of transit traffic between DRC and Durban Port via Plumtree, since it was relatively the shortest route of 3,216 kilometers. When Bay Bridge corridor was opened in September 1999, the distance from Lubumbashi to the Durban Port via Beard Bridge became the shortest and preferred at 3,188 kilometers. With the opening of the Mosetse Livingstone line, the distance from Lubumbashi to Durban Port has now become the shortest urban preferred at 2,860 kilometers. We are therefore pinning great expectation on this direct link from Mosetse to Livingstone via Kazungula, and on the feasibility study, which will be presented today to provide guidance and clarity on how to go about building the infrastructure, the bridges that will determine how connected our economies are tomorrow. I want to make it clear, Botswana is fully committed to this vision, and we are here with our Zambian colleagues to ensure its technical, financial, and logistical viability is discussed and logical conclusions reached. As Minister, I've taken time to familiarize myself with underlying economics. I'm acutely aware that a railway of this scale, with estimated infrastructure costs of about $1.5 billion and traction investments of over $130 million, cannot be sustained unless it carries in the region of 7.5 million tons of freight annually. Our existing road traffic across Kazungula totals around 3.1 million tons per year. So we are not starting from zero, but we are not yet where we need to be. At present, Botswana Railways transports just over 1 million tons of freight per year, a commendable increase from the previous year, but still far below these levels this new corridor will demand. This highlights the need for deliberate cargo mobilization, operational scaling, and logistics modernization if BR is to be ready for this transformational opportunity. This is why our expectations on the feasibility study are clear. It must assess realistic modal shift potential, not theoretical best-case scenarios. It must provide a clear traffic development strategy, including cargo diversification and regional integration beyond Botswana and Zambia. It must offer bankable financial modeling, including PPP options and smart rolling stock strategies. And it must be honest about the risks, as well as the transformative potential. I trust the consultants will deliver a thorough, transparent, and forward-looking analysis. And I look forward to a robust and solutions-oriented exchange with all stakeholders today. It is important for us to understand the important role that this rail project will have in the life of our peoples. Good infrastructure improves living standards and provides dignity to our people and fosters national unity. It will boost trade and also reduce the cost of doing business. This is essential as we open up to the advent of the African Continental Free Trade Area. But we must also at the same time bear in mind that the government does not have the financial resources to undertake this work alone. We therefore must forge ahead and implement reforms to make public-private partnerships easier, faster, and more predictable. This meeting is also a vital platform for creating space for strategic dialogue, knowledge exchange, and policy alignment around the issue of PPP financing approach or model. By bringing together our collective expertise and political will, we strengthen the foundations for inclusive and sustainable growth, not only between our two beautiful countries, but across Africa as a whole. This notwithstanding, Comrade Co-Chair, coordinating an ambitious infrastructure-built program of this magnitude is not only a practical necessity, it is also a transformative opportunity. Because when we align our efforts, we unlock economies of scale and attract more investment. We ensure the development of interconnected, future-ready infrastructure that supports trade, mobility, energy security, and digital access, while ensuring that our people see tangible improvements in their daily lives. As we seek to transform Africa and unlock her full potential, we must place infrastructure at the heart of our development agenda, not only as a tool for economic growth and social development, but as a symbol of our great ambition and our hope for a better future. Let us proceed with urgency, clarity, and above all, partnership. Thank you to you all. And be blessed.